Good morning, students. Welcome back in computer class of 8th standard, and we are doing chapter number 4, algorithms and flowcharts. So, in my previous class, I discussed an algorithm and a flowchart to swap two numbers. Students, today we will discuss how to write an algorithm and make a flow chart to check whether a number is even or not. So open your books, page number 50. From here I am going to explain example 3. Example 3 is write an algorithm and make a flow chart to check whether a number is even or not. Students, as you know, if the number is divisible by 2 and the remainder will be 0, then the number is an even number, else the number is an odd number. So, look here, I have taken number equal to 4. Num is equal to 4. Now, num modulus 2 equal to 0. Here equal to is a comparison operator. So when we divide number with 2, the answer should be equal to 0. Means a number is an even number. Look here, number 4 I am going to divide with 2. So 2 2s are 4 and the remainder is 0. It means 4 is an even number. So move to the algorithm. This is example 3. Write an algorithm to check whether the number is even or not. Step 1 is read num. Step 2 is check if num modulus 2 equal to 0. Step 3. If true means if the number is divisible by 2. So it will print the given number is an even number. Step 4. If false, then it will print means if the number is not divisible by 2, then number is not even. So this is an algorithm to check the number is even or not. Next is, this is a flow chart to check the whether number is even or not. So now I am going to correlate this algorithm with this flow chart. So start with flow chart with start stop symbol and write start. Then draw flow line to connect with next box. Move to the algorithm. Read step 1. Read num. Here we have an input a number. For that, in flow chart we will take input output box. Draw input box and write input num. Now move to the algorithm. Step 2 is check if num modulus 2 equal to 0. This is a condition. So in flow chart draw a decision box. This diamond shaped box is called decision box and write down is num modulus 2 equal to 0. Now move to the algorithm. Step 3 is if true, print the given number is an even number. So in flow chart, if the condition is true, then it will execute this output box and it will print number is an even. Now move to the step 4 in algorithm. If false, print number is not even. Now move to the flow chart. If the condition is false, means no, then it will execute this box, this output box. It will print number is not even. At the last, draw flow lines and then draw start stop box and write down stop. So students, in today's class you have learned how to write an algorithm and make a flow chart to check whether a number is even or not. So do practice of this algorithm and flow chart at home. Thank you.